Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will say a few words about the latest feature added to Flask Soft UI Dashboard, which is an open source seed project provided by AppSeed. Now the product supports an API view for the generated API feature, which was delivered in the previous version. Let's take a look at the code and see what's new. Basically, the generated API is now manageable, of course, using a third-party tool like Postman. But at the same time, we've built a super simple page in the application that users can manage the box model, which is generated. Has a generated API using this new page. Let's start the product using Docker. All the setup instructions are provided here in the README, and probably an easy way to start and use the product is to launch the Docker setup ship with the sources. Now the Docker setup, install all the modules and set up the database, and of course generate the API for the books model, which is defined here in the models file in the applications directory. The model is super simple. It's provided just to explain the concept, and we can interact with the generated API and also with the API view right away. Let's create a new user. Now once the user is created, we can access the private pages of the application. Okay, we have here a page named API view, and here in this component at the bottom of the page we will see all the items added to the books model. For now there is no item, so I will use this interface to add new items and also update and delete. The browser API view can be found here, which is /API is the most standard Swagger interface. We can interact with the API, of course, but in this case I will go back here and use just the API view, which is the latest feature added to the product. Let's add a new book, reporter. So now we have a new item here. If we refresh the API view in the browser, we can see that we have a new item. So what we can do from this point, of course, we can update the items, this one, and of course the next ones, and also we can delete the item. In this case, we should have an empty data set. So guys, thanks for watching. The product is free. It can be downloaded directly from GitHub. It's released under the MIT license, which means that you can use it in your e-learning projects or commercial projects. It's completely your choice. In case anyone have issues with the product, feel free to access AppSeed and go to the support page, send us an email. There's here an email address, or if you want to chat one-to-one with us, we are almost 24/7 on Discord. So feel free to join the community and ask for help. Thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.